शुरू।
Hello friend, my name is Ishwar Das. My presentation on measurement and scaling technique. My name is Ishwar Das. I am pursuing MSc in Hotel Management. My Punjab Technical University roll number is 1443288. My index: measurement, classification of measurement, scaling technique. Instrument which is used in measurement. Issue in attitude measurement. When a researcher is interested in measuring the attitude, feeling or opinion of respondent, he or she should be clear about the following. A. What is to be measured? Who is to be measured? The choice available in data collection technique. Level of measurement. There are 4 levels of measurement: nominal data, ordinal data, interval data, ratio data. First, nominal data. It is the most elementary of form of measurement, which partition a set into a categories that are mutually and collectively exhaustive. Each categories give name or assign the number, just symbol used for labeling group. For example, man and woman. Nominal data. It introduces the concept of order. Interval data. This data has all the characteristics of nominal data and ordinal data. It also has property to show the equality of interval. Ratio data. Ratio data is characterized by the presence of order, distance and unique order. Scaling technique. Various techniques used in scaling in measurement. Likert scale technique, staple scale technique. First, Likert scale technique. Strongly agree, agree, undecided, disagree, strongly disagree. We can say that in a population, person is strongly agree. Some person are agree. Some are undecided, they cannot decide. Some are disagree, and some of the person which are strongly disagree. Staple scale technique. This was developed by John Staple. This is unipolar rating scale. This scale does not have zero or neutral point. Thank you.